Do you think mobile phone is used only for calls and messaging? Are you sure? You can use your mobile phone for a variety of services including mobile banking. But millions of people in India are not aware of this. What about them? How can they access mobile banking on their phones? Thanks to one simple number, *99#. Now, everybody can access banking services using this number from their mobile handset. Yes, you heard that right. *99# allows every mobile banking registered customer to access banking services by dialing a common number for all banks. *99# works without internet and can be used from any GSM mobile handset, smart or otherwise. Customers can avail financial, non-financial and value-added services by simply dialing *99# from any part of the country. That's not all. *99# service is available in 12 languages and can be accessed round the clock. Also, there are no roaming charges for using the service. To get started, all you have to do is register your mobile number for mobile banking services with your bank. Once registered, simply dial *99# from your mobile to access the welcome screen. Once you are on welcome screen, enter either 3-letter bank short name or first 4 letters of your bank's IFSC to access your bank menu. IFSC is mentioned on your checkbook or passbook. Bank short name is mentioned on the NPCI website and IMPS social media pages. Now, you can access any of the non-financial, financial or value-added services listed in the menu by choosing the indicated number. Using non-financial services, you can check account balance, generate mini statement, generate or change MPIN, find MMID and generate OTP at the convenience of your fingertip. All you need to do is select the desired option and make the non-financial query. *99# also allows you to avail financial services such as instant money transfer. You can now transfer funds using beneficiaries' IFSC and account number, or MMID and mobile number or Aadhaar number. To transfer funds using the beneficiary's IFSC and account number, select the option Send Money using IFSC. Enter the beneficiary's IFSC and account number separated by a single space. Enter the amount and remarks separated with a single space. Authenticate the transaction using MPIN. Once the transaction is complete, you and the beneficiary will receive a message from the respective banks confirming the transaction. Similarly, you can also transfer funds using the beneficiary's MMID and mobile number or Aadhaar number. Apart from these services, *99# also offers one value-added service which allows the user to check Aadhaar seeding or linking status with the bank. This service can be availed by simply dialing *99*99# from your mobile phone. The story does not end here. You can also access your bank menu directly by simply dialing bank-specific code. The list of bank codes can be downloaded from the NPCI website, or you can contact your nearest bank branch for the same. Now you realize any phone can become a mobile banking enabled phone. All you need to do is get your mobile number registered for mobile banking services. Keep the desired details like beneficiary IFSC, account number, MMID, mobile number, etc. handy while doing the transaction. *99#, bringing the mobile banking to the doorstep of every common man.